Hello everybody, Barbara here, First Feather Gallery. We are close to opening and I want to invite everybody down to our concert, which is taking place August 18th at Art Ovation Hotel in downtown Sarasota. We've been honored with an invitation to bring an exhibit there, which we put in June. So 40 pieces of Rex's art. It's the largest collection we've had to the public ever. So I was very happy and honored to be able to put that together and gather the artwork for this exhibit to share with Sarasota. So I decided we would bring music into the celebration, and I invited Robert Mirabal. Robert Mirabal and Bird Tribe met in January. We went out to see Bird Tribe play, and of course Robert recognized the musicianship and the extraordinary talent of these guys and decided he wanted to do a little collaboration. It took us a while. Life has been, you know how it is, it takes a while till the timing's right. Well, it finally came together.
Come join us and rock out Native American style August 18th at 8 p.m. at Art Ovation Hotel in the Crescendo Ballroom.